Video, I'm going to show you how to upload a corpus to Lanxbox if you're on a PC. So to start with, I'd like to emphasize that it's going to make this a lot easier if you have your corpus located in one folder on your computer. So make sure that you've collected your entire corpus and you've saved it to a location that you remember, all in one folder on your computer. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make sure that your corpus has a name. So if there isn't a name here, it's not going to allow you to upload your corpus. So my corpus is on the topic of syntactic priming, so I'm going to name mine syntactic priming corpus. Under load data, I'm then going to click on corpus, and I'm going to find my specific corpus. You can see I've saved mine to the desktop in a folder there, so I'm just going to click on the folder and click open. You can also go in and select individual files, but that's obviously more time consuming, so it's easier if you have them all in one folder. Once I have all of the documents that I want to upload to my corpus here, I'm going to click on import, and there's going to be a text box that should pop up as you see that says loading corpus. I'm not sure if you can see that on my shared screen. And then it's going to upload the corpus for you. If your corpus is large, this may take a while, so just give it a few minutes until it finishes. At this point, my corpus is uploaded. You can see that I uploaded 20 total files. And then there has already been some analysis done for me both on the corpus as a whole and on the individual files in the corpus. It's really helpful if your corpus is clearly labeled. You can see I label mine by last name, year, and then a shortened or abbreviated version of the title. So if you were trying to do some sort of analysis where you're comparing different research articles, having them clearly labeled will help with that. You can see that in this corpus, there are close to 190,000 tokens. So that's word count. So that's how many words there are. There are then around 12,800 types. This means that there is no duplication in the count. So each word is only counted once. So it's the number of unique words in the corpus. And then you can see for lemmas, this is grouping of words that are of the same word, but just have variations in their endings or beginnings. And you can see that there are close to 11,000 lemmas in this corpus.